Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal for Facebook ads. First, navigate to your Facebook Ads Manager. On the left-hand menu, find Billing and Payment Methods. Click Add Payment Method and select PayPal from the available options. This initial step is crucial for integrating your preferred payment solution. Ensure you have administrative access to your ad account to proceed smoothly. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes to complete. Next, you'll be redirected to PayPal's secure login page. Enter your PayPal credentials and authorize Facebook to make payments on your behalf. This creates a secure link between the two platforms, ensuring your financial information remains protected. Once authorized, you'll return to Ads Manager, where PayPal will be listed as an active payment method. Always double-check the confirmation message to ensure the connection was successful and ready for use. With PayPal linked, you can now set up your ad campaign budgets. When creating or editing an ad set, you'll specify either a daily budget, perhaps $25, or a lifetime budget, like $500. Facebook will automatically charge your linked PayPal account as your ads run, typically in increments or upon reaching a billing threshold. Monitor your spending within Ads Manager and review your PayPal activity regularly to stay on top of your advertising expenses. Finally, let's cover some best practices and troubleshooting tips. If you encounter payment issues, first verify your PayPal account has sufficient funds. Sometimes, a simple relinking of the account can resolve minor glitches. Always keep your PayPal account secure with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Regularly review your Facebook ad spend against your PayPal statements to catch any discrepancies early. This proactive approach helps maintain a smooth and effective advertising workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.